In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Pixar characters on Leonardo AI. First, open your browser and head to the Leonardo AI app. This is where we'll generate our character images. When the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. On the login screen, choose the option to sign in with Google, then select your Google account to continue. If you're prompted for permissions, approve them so you can access the image generation tools. Once you're in, you're ready to start creating. From the main workspace, go to the Image section. This is the area dedicated to generating new images, and it gives you access to prompts, references, and all the creative controls you'll need. If this is your first time, don't worry. Everything is laid out clearly and we'll move through it step by step. Next, add a reference image. This helps guide the AI towards specific facial features, clothing, pose, or overall vibe while still reimagining it in a stylized, animated way. Click Image Reference to open the panel, then choose the option to upload a file. Pick a clear photo with good lighting, ideally a front-facing portrait with the subject's face unobstructed. If you're using someone else's picture, make sure you have permission and avoid images with watermarks or heavy filters that can confuse the model. Now craft your prompt. The more specific you are, the better the results. Describe the character, mood, and setting in detail. Think age, clothing, expression, environment, lighting, and camera framing. You can include phrasing like Pixar or Disney Pixar style if your platform allows it. If those terms are restricted or don't give you the look you want, try descriptive language such as whimsical 3D animated film style, big expressive eyes, soft textures, warm cinematic lighting, and a friendly family film aesthetic. You can also mention materials and atmosphere like glossy plasticity, subtle subsurface scattering on skin, depth of field, or a cozy interior scene at golden hour. When you're happy with your prompt and reference, click Generate. Give it a moment to process. If the result isn't quite right, iterate. Refine the prompt with clearer adjectives, simplify overly complex ideas, or adjust your reference image to one with better lighting or a cleaner background. Small wording changes can make a big difference. You can regenerate multiple times until you land on the character that feels just right. That's it. Log in, open image, add your reference, write a detailed prompt, and generate. Follow these steps and you'll be creating